Hi, I'm Ian from Motorsport, here to talk to you about connecting your Gerbing kit to your motorcycle. All Gerbing kit comes with a battery harness which goes directly onto your battery on your motorcycle, or we have alternative methods of connecting. We have a BMW Hella plug. This also is a cigarette lighter adapter. So basically, if you're using a cigarette adapter, say you're in a soft top sports car or whatever, or you've got a cigarette adapter on your bike, you can plug this straight in. Leads so long, plug your kit into this end. That just plugs straight in. If it's a BMW Hella plug, or the same on Triumphs and Ducatis, little Hella plugs on them, you simply turn the cap 25 degrees, pop it off, and it becomes a Hella plug. As well as the standard BMW Hella plug connection from Gerbing, we also do an Optimate Hella plug as well. So this is slightly tighter, you'll see, slightly shorter. So in reality, if you've got it into your fairing, there's a little bit less sticking out. Same thing, this is not fused instantly, so there's no fuse in this. It's the only negative thing. Usually most motorcycles are fused in the system anyway, so it's not too much of a problem. Might just be worth checking out with your local dealer. Gerbing also do this really neat panel mount port if you want to tidy up the wiring on your bike. So assuming you've already got Gerbing kit, you've got your battery harness on your bike, you'd simply push this end into the battery harness there, fits straight in. Feed this under your bike, under the petrol tank, wherever you want it to go. It can go into your side pan, go onto your fairing, have a little 10mm hole, drill a 10mm hole, and then basically just fits in, screw it on. It's got a neat little waterproof cap as well, and then you can just basically put your controller straight into this. When you're fitting your Gerbing stuff to your bike, if you want to tidy up all the wirings, we also do a panel mount kit. So the panel mount kit basically has a little panel mount port like this, which will go somewhere onto your bike, either into your fairing or onto your side panel, wherever. You then get also a battery harness, which will fit onto your bike, and you also get a cord extension lead as well. So those are the three key parts to the panel mount kit. What it basically means is that you can put your battery harness onto your bike, feed the cord extension up underneath your fairing, underneath your tank or whatever, and then just put the panel mount port somewhere it's more easily accessible. This Optimate kit is basically called the OPT39 on our website. This will work with all Optimate chargers after about 2012. You need to check your Optimate charger and see what sort of plug it has on it, on the lead which is on your battery already. If you've got the older version, you might also need one of these adapters here. This is OPT7. This will convert from the old Optimate lead to a new Optimate plug, and then you put the adapter for the Optimate plug onto your Gerbing kit. Gerbing do a whole range of leads to help you join everything together. Basically what you need to know is that all the plugs are the same. You basically have the male plug, then you have a female plug, but they all fit into each other. So really you can join together whatever you want to, so whether it's pillions, riders, what have you, theoretically you can all join up the same thing. This one is a long wire lead. So this might be used for socks. If you're just running socks from a controller, you would use this lead here. You could run it from a single controller. You could run your gloves from this as well. It's a long wire lead like this. This is the short Gerbing wire lead, also known as a splitter. You might use this for putting into your battery harness on one end, then you can have the rider on one side, pillion on the other side. It can also be used to join together two circuits inside your jacket if you only want to use single controller. It's got various uses, but that's basically the short wire lead. Gerbing make two extension leads. This one is a straightforward extension lead. It's 6 to 50 centimeters long. Has a female plug at one end, male plug at the other end, compatible with all Gerbing plugs. We also do a curly cord extension lead. Same thing. It's got a male lead, male plug at one end, female plug at the other end, and will obviously stretch out to wherever you need it and bounce back again.